I used to look at butterflies when I was young, and they're all flying around each other, and it was very pretty, and I'd run around with them. I was like they were playing a game of chase, because it almost looked like one was going after the other one, and then it kind of turned around every now and then. I definitely would have not guessed that they are as aggressive as they really are. Butterflies are violent animals. Hi, my name is Kylah. I'm in the 8th grade here at Lakeland Christian, and I am in the RISE program here.
RISE stands for Research, Innovation, STEM Learning, and Entrepreneurship. It's based on challenge relating to real-world, tough problems that kids can solve. My name is Matt Croxton, and I'm privileged to be Kylah Blau's research teacher at Lakeland Christian School. Science is trying to understand and ask questions about the natural world. And in looking at resources on butterflies, specifically the one that she was interested in was the white peacock butterfly, she was startled with the realization that, oh, these butterflies are actually territorial. They may not just be having a good time gadding around, they may actually be defending territories or vying for mates or staking out a claim to sources of water. Who knows? There's a bunch of different things that could be in play.
I'm getting down the butterflies that I have caught and processed. All butterflies have some way of defense. Like most butterflies have the eye spots, or you see some butterflies that looks like eyes when they unfold. And so it scares away most birds, because birds kind of go for the butterflies. But I was very curious how they communicated. They see completely different than us. That's because they see in ultraviolet light. Only specific animals can see ultraviolet light. Butterflies are one of those animals. So I was wondering if patterns told the other butterflies where they're from, if it's female or male. And I was also wondering if the vibrations when they flap affected the way they communicate. There is a certain area that if it's brighter or if it's darker or if it has more deviation, that it probably shows a bigger sign of dominance. There's this little tiny white spot right above the black eye spot that will appear under UV light. That would be one of the areas that the butterflies look to first. Us, we go straight to the eye spot, but to them, maybe they go to that white little area that probably looks a lot different in ultraviolet light.
Okay, a little bit longer exposure time today, but that's because we're not out in the sun. Kylah's study is actually using a camera as a spectrometer. It is extremely useful as what sometimes would be called a ground truth. And because of that contest, she was more ready to take on the research and producing the data when she got the tools that she needed.
It feels like instead of just being selfish and helping yourself, that you're helping others with their project. Even now, someone else for another project is using the spectrometer. Maybe we could come up with some sunglasses or something, be able to see the butterflies.